Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today, guys, I just wanted to start this video off by saying thank you so much on the wonderful response that you gave when I asked you if you wanted to see this format with me showing up at the beginning of the video, just to give the video a like. And I mean, my goodness, you came through. Thank you so much, guys. You actually pushed this video out into the algorithm. I mean, it really just snatched up the video. That video actually appeared on the YouTube homepage. So we are doing more fall home decor. I do have a few more pumpkin ideas that I did want to share with you. Okay, so I have this vase that I picked up from my discount store. This doesn't have a catch on it for the lid. So I'm going to be using this today to create another pumpkin vase. So this is going to be the pumpkin and this is going to be the lid. The lid, hopefully I'm trying to make this a removable lid so that you can use either a candle inside, or if you want to use fairy lights, you can do that as well. And I wanted to have a decorative lid on top when it was just the fairy lights inside. So please don't forget to thumbs up the video and please don't forget to subscribe. And with that said, I'm going to get started. Okay, I'm going to start by cleaning off the vase, just removing all the fingerprints and any oils that may have been transferred. So now that that's done, I'm going to be using a little bit of glitter today. I'm going to mix 3 colors into some white. So let me just shake a little bit of that in first. So this glitter packet I got from Amazon, you get 12 shakers inside of, as you can see, 12 different colors. So today I'm going to use the green, this fuchsia color, and I'm going to decide which one of the 2 blues that I want to use. So I decided to use that turquoise colored blue today. I want to give this glitter mixture a iridescent sort of look. So yeah, these are the 3 colors. I'm going to mix in a little bit with the white. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of each color in, not a lot, just a sprinkle. I still want the vase to basically look like it's filled with white glitter, but with a hint of color. So once I get what I want in there, I'm going to just blend that a little bit. I'm going to be using my silicone makeup brush to do that. And now that that's done, I'm going to take my Aleene's Clear Gel Tacky Glue and put a little bit inside the bowl. Now we don't need a lot, or the vase. We don't need a lot. And I'm just going to take a damp paintbrush and I'm just going to brush that through, making sure that I cover the complete vase, just completely inside. So I'm going to fold my bowl up a little bit and then I'm going to shake a little bit of that glitter in, kind of sprinkle it along the sides. And yeah, I'm just going to keep doing that until it's completely empty, until all the glitter is inside. And then I'm going to just shake the vase around a little bit just to make sure I distribute all that glitter that's inside. I want to make sure it's covered as much as possible. And while that's drying, I'm going to take the top and I'm going to paint that. This is called metallic white. The paint company is Art Deco. And I'm going to just paint that top completely white. I'm going to paint the top, the bottom, and the sides. And then I'm going to allow that to dry. So now that the vase is dry, it looks really nice. It's not completely covered. It's not a solid glitter inside, but that's okay because we're going to be adding fairy lights at the end of the project and I want some of the lights to show through. So I'm going to be using this, I believe this is 4mm bead on a string. I'm going to use that to decorate the outside of the vase. I'm going to cut about 11 even strips, and I'm going to put it down the sides of the vase. So I'm just going to cut the beads down to the length of the vase, and then I'm going to hot glue them all into place. Okay, so that's what that looks like. It came out really, really nice. I like the way it looks so far. So we're going to continue with the next step, and that's going to be with the top. Now we are going to decorate the top. I just wanted you to see what that looks like. It is completely dry, and I just did a light washing of paint. It doesn't have to be completely solid. So I am going to use this silver diamond wrap, and I'm just going to cut out a small rectangle piece, fold it into threes, and then I'm going to hot glue it together. And we're going to use this. It's going to be the base for our stem that's going to be on top of the pumpkin. So now that it's all glued together, I'm just going to bend it and shape it a little bit. I don't want it to be completely straight. I want it to have a little bit of bend to it. So I'm going to be using my acrylic crystal gems. I got these from Amazon. I think you get 1,000 of these for under $7. So it's a really good buy. And I bought 2 packages a couple of years ago, and I still have a lot left over. But anyway, I'm going to hot glue those to one side of our little stem. I'm just going to do one side, and then I'm going to finish the other side off camera. But we are making this stem exactly the same way we made the stem for our pumpkin vase in the last video. All right, guys, look how nice that looks. It looks thick and chunky. It looks like real jewelry. It looks really nice. So that's our stem. So now I'm going to start working on the top, and I'm going to take those same gems and hot glue them to the top there, and I'm going to hot glue them along the sides as well. All right, guys, look how nice that looks. I love the way this looks. Absolutely beautiful. All around, the gems are hot glued all around. So now it's time to attach the stem. I left a small space at the top, and I'm going to hot glue that stem on top. I'm going to hold it while the hot glue cools down, and then I'm going to continue adding a couple of gems at the base just to cover up any areas where there might be hot glue or the glue visible. After that, I've decided I want to glue some of these small beads just beneath the side, because that part is visible and I don't want that to be visible with just the paint exposed. So I'm going to add those little beads on top. It's going to give it a beautiful finished look. So I have our vase, and I'm going to put the top on it and make sure the top fits. Yeah, it looks really nice, guys. Look how nice it looks with the top. But I'm going to do one more thing to this project. I'm going to add some of those same acrylic gems to every other string of beads that's going down the vase. And I'm going to do that with my fingers as well as with my gem picker tool. And the gem picker tool I picked up from Amazon as well, guys. You get like 2 for $7 or something like that. I don't remember the exact price, but I'll link everything that I use below, as much of it as I can find. And yeah, so I'm just going to continue just adding those to every other string of beads. So guys, this came out so beautiful. I absolutely love the way this looks. So this is pretty much what the finished project's going to look like. So lastly, I am going to just put my fairy lights inside. You could either attach it to the battery box to the side of the vase or attach it to the top. This turned out absolutely gorgeous. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd be so glad to hear from you. Guys, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.